sportsbook operation. Now, coming back to the software, we've already seen how the right to left support looks like. This is pretty much how it looks like for Arabic. And we're going to take a look at some other things. For instance, translating the sportsbook website into different languages. This is pretty much how it's done. I'm going to open this in a different window. This is our translation tool, where we can translate pretty much any text from any language to any language. And this is already pre-populated with automatic translations using the Google Translate API for a number of languages. Some of them are more accurate, some of them are not. For instance, Turkish is very, very good because it has been checked. Farsi is very, very good. Spanish is decent. Chinese is very, very good. Portuguese is decent. French is decent, Italian is decent, and with this translation backend, with this interface, what we can do is we can create these things. We can create language keys like this, specify the language, specify, for instance, stake, and then risk for US English, because there are differences in terminology between the United States and the United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, we can call it stake and actually have a chance of people understanding what we mean. But in the United States, you have to call it risk. Now, this translation interface is actually the best way to manage the strings. We've seen other solutions out there that are using language files instead of having this in a web interface like we do. They keep all the data in some static files, which look like XML files. They are very difficult to work with. They take time to update. If you mess something up in the translation, then I mean, that's it. It's done with. The whole file is broken. The whole support for that language is gone. And this is why we chose making this database based on database engine and have an admin interface for that. Of course, multiple currencies, we can add as many of them as we want over here or remove them. We can also change the exchange rate to USD or to